Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about celestial objects. So, what are celestial objects? So, celestial objects or bodies are objects that appear in space that can only be seen through a telescope from Earth, meaning these objects have to be in space and they have to be close enough for us to view through at least a telescope, but they also cannot be viewed that clearly with the naked eye. So, these include stars, planets, satellites such as moons, comets, asteroids, meteors, meteorites, and galaxies. Okay. So what are moons? Moons are nearly spherical objects that orbit or move around planets. Okay. So moons are normally smaller than planets and they orbit or revolve around planets such as the Earth. The Earth has a moon. Jupiter also has several moons that revolve around it. So make sure you open your note packet and go to this page called Celestial Objects and write this down. Moons look like this. They are the smaller than all the other celestial objects that we'll be talking about today, although these are not all the celestial objects in the universe. So, what are planets? Planets are also nearly spherical objects and they orbit or move around or revolve around a star. So, moons revolve around planets and planets revolve around stars. So, you may have guessed or known that the sun is actually a star. Okay. And all the planets in our solar system revolve around this star, the sun. And that's why they're called planets because planets revolve around a star. So go ahead and write this down. Planets are a little bigger than the moon. You can see through this arrow right here. And yeah, they revolve around the sun. Okay. And there are other stars out there in the universe outside the sun, and other planets revolve around those stars as well. So, what are stars? Stars are massive balls of gas that create their own energy. And, like I said before, the sun is a star, and the sun also creates its own energy. And this is a real picture of distant stars that can be viewed from the Hubble telescope. The sun is not the only star, and there are several stars in the universe that have planets revolving around them, although not all stars have planets revolving around them. So astronomers estimate that the universe could contain up to 1 septillion stars. That's this many stars. That's 10 to the power 24 stars. And it kind of looks like this. So go ahead and write this down in your note packet. Stars are bigger than planets and moons. Moons revolve around planets. Planets revolve around stars. Stars make their own energy. And the sun is a star. So, what is a solar system? A solar system is one star and all the objects that revolve around it because of its gravitational pull. So, our solar system is actually a star, a sun. Remember, the sun is a star, and all the objects that revolve around the sun, and this includes the planets. Although there are many other solar systems out the universe, in the universe, with their own stars and their own planets revolving around it. If you have a star and planets or other objects revolving around it, then you have a solar system. And this is what our solar system looks like: our star, which is the sun, and everything that revolves around it. So go and write this down. Solar systems are bigger than stars, planets, and moons. And a solar system is a star and the planets and other objects revolving around that star. So, what are galaxies? Galaxies are clusters of billions of stars held together by gravity. We live in the Milky Way galaxy, although there are many other galaxies out there in the universe. So, uh, our solar system is just our star, which is the sun, and all the planets and other objects revolving around it. But, like I said, there's billions of other stars that are held together by gravity, and that creates a galaxy. So, yes, this is our solar system with one star, the sun, but there's billions of other stars in our galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy, and all these stars are held together by gravity right here. And there's many other clusters of billions of stars out there in the universe that kind of look like this. And our Milky Way galaxy is just one of the galaxies out of the billions of galaxies out there. Okay? And yes, this is a galaxy, billions of stars spiraling together as a cluster, but our small little solar system is right here in the corner of the Milky Way galaxy, which is just one star out of billions. And there are true trillion galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way galaxy is one of them. So go ahead and write this down. Galaxies are bigger than solar systems. And remember, our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. It's kind of on the side here. That is only one star, but the galaxies are actually billions of stars clustered together. and we live in the Milky Way galaxy. Lastly, what is the universe? The universe is everything, all matter, energy, and empty space. Okay, so that makes it the biggest thing out of all the celestial objects right here. And galaxies, solar system, stars, planets, moons—they're all part of the universe. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the formation of celestial objects.